Hello guys, happy Thursday. It is the 12th currently. Happy Vlogmas. And if you're new here, I'm Kylie. Welcome. Be sure to subscribe. Goodness, have I had stuff under my eye like all day? All right, anyways, be sure to subscribe. And I just got home from work and basically I need to get ready because I'm going to my work holiday party tonight. And I thought that I would bring you guys along with me and with like the getting ready process, and then I'm not going to like show you guys too much of the party because it's like a work thing and that's not like A, fun, or B, probably allowed. But I just thought it'd be interesting to show you guys what I do like to get ready and stuff like that. And I got this new dip kit off of Amazon and I'm excited to try it out, and I thought that would be interesting to show you guys. Sorry, I'm lighting a candle. Breathe, Kylie. Like when I talk sometimes I just get really excited and I don't breathe. Candle is lit. So I'm going to go grab the kit for my nails. I need to do them. It is like 4:30 right now ish, and I think it'll take me like an hour to do. I'm actually kind of hot in this sweater, so I might change. I'm gonna set up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the kit that I bought off of Amazon. I'm excited to use it. I don't know which color is which, so that'll be interesting. Like they all kind of look the same. Like which one's the red? Like this one maybe? Yeah, that kind of looks red. Like these look a little bit more pink. I want like a fiery red. And this is what it looked like online. I don't know. I think this is like a maroon. This is a hot pink. That one just looks too pink. All right, and then you need all of these except for this. That's to clean your brush. And then, oh, I've already used this once. I used this color. I just took it off. That's why I'm like kind of familiar. You need a brush to brush the product off. Guess I probably should have like kind of cleaned it. It's fine. So I'm going to like prep my nails and then I'll show you guys kind of the process. Maybe you're interested in that. Okay, so why do I feel like I'm always sitting here in my kitchen in my videos? But I just prepped my nails and I'm going to start the dip process. So I thought I would just show you guys maybe like the first round. Okay, so I applied both coats to both of my hands. So the next step, I already did it to this side. You're supposed to apply the activator. So I'm going to dust off the extra dip powder on the top of my nails and apply the activator. So that's step 2. And this basically just seals everything together. While this hand is drying, I'm going to file this hand. And this part is very important. This is where you like shape your fingernails and you buff the top of them to make sure they're like smooth and everything. So I use this and I use the buff side of this. I'm going to go do that and then I'll check back in with you guys once I'm okay. So I am just now putting on the cuticle oil. It is now 5:30, so it took me about an hour. Not too bad. And these are what my nails look like. Can we focus? I'm very happy with how it turned out. They are kind of, it's like a pink red, but it is definitely more red. So I am happy with this color. I did want like a red and not like a maroon. Very happy. We'll see how long this lasts. Now I'm going to go curl my hair. My makeup is pretty much done. I might do some touch-ups. So welcome to my bathroom. I don't think I've ever recorded much in here, but I'm just cleaning up from this morning when I was in a rush and trying to get ready before work. I'm heating up my curling wand currently because I want to curl my hair. I just spoke with Will and he said we should leave around 6:15 and it's 5:30, so we have about 45 minutes. I figured I should maybe like touch up my makeup. I don't know. What are we thinking? I can show you the products that I used today because I've actually gotten a few questions on what products I use on my face for makeup, so we can go through that while my curling wand is heating up. And yeah, so today to get ready, I started off with this primer, which I talked about in my FabFitFun unboxing. I've been actually using it ever since I unboxed it. So it's the Soft Focus Glow Drops. I really like these. I think it's a good primer. I don't really have anything like incredible to say about them. I don't really notice too much of a difference. I also use this primer as well. It's just the Smashbox primerizer, and I have the travel size just because I don't use primer all the time. I don't like wear face makeup all the time is what I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So I don't think I need the full size, and I was just trying it out. So I still have like half of this left and I've used it a lot. So definitely try it out. I think it's great, but then I also think this is great too. I don't think it's particularly like illuminating. Like I don't notice too much of a difference between the two. I think this one's definitely better if you're like in more moisturizing for the winter months. I think this one would be better, and this one would be better for the summer months. And then for my foundation, I used the Your Skin But Better CC cream by It Cosmetics, and I'm in the shade Neutral Tan right now. This is the full coverage one. This isn't the CC cream, this is the foundation one. This is what I'm wearing on my face. I live by this stuff, and I usually apply it with my It Cosmetics brush. I feel like this distributes the product the best versus a beauty blender. I feel like the beauty blender usually like soaks up the product and doesn't usually distribute it on my face, so that's why I like to use this brush. And then I use the Tart Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Honey. I love this stuff, but then I use this and I apply it with my mini beauty blender, and I use the Glossier Wilder. I have the G8 to G10 shade, and I love this stuff. It's really great. It doesn't make your face too cakey or anything like that. And then for bronzer, I use just the Hoola bronzer, and I use the darker shade. Oh, brows, I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade 3.5. And I use this with the Glossier Boy Brow, and then this is just the brown shade, I believe. Yeah. So I use these two for my brows. And then for my lashes, I have like a process with my lashes. So I use I don't even know what eyelash curler this is, but I usually curl my lashes, and then I'll go in with the Benefit Batgirl Bang mascara. I'll do like a very light coat of this, and then I'll go in again once it's dry, and then I'll go in with the Lash Blowout by It Cosmetics. These two together are like my favorite combination. And then if for some reason it gets like very clunky and gross, I go in with like this Tweezerman like lash comb and like try to separate my lashes, because I hate that look where like they'll have like their like clumpy lashes. I don't like it personally. I know some people are really fond of that. I just don't like it. And yeah, that's pretty much my makeup routine. And then sometimes I use my Adeline X Tart palette. Well, I use this highlighter like every day. How I'm filming, I'm literally propping you guys up on the shelf in my bathroom. Sometimes I'll go in with like these two shades on the crease of my eyelid, and that's about it. I really don't do like anything too dramatic with my makeup, and then I'll just use the Morphe setting spray to set my face. And I don't do this every day, like usually just for events and stuff like that. I know I'm not actually showing you what I'm doing. If you do want to see like how I actually apply the makeup, let me know in the comments down below. But it was really early this morning and I did not have the time to film that, but I hope me walking you through the products and showing you what I use was good enough. So I'm sorry, but I'm going to curl my hair. Okay, so I thought I would update you guys. I think I'm going to end off the vlog here before we leave, but I wanted to show you guys my favorite part of my makeup routine. My setting spray. I was saying earlier how I like the Morphe setting spray. It smells so good, locks in your makeup all day. But this is the final look. I'm wearing, what is it called? My lipstick is it's called 1993, and it's just the Urban Decay Comfort Matte. And my outfit,
well, you're looking fine.
Thank you. I haven't put my shoes on, but I'm wearing these booties.
Put them on, your boots.
And also, I've decided this is pink.
It is pink, but you told me which one was more red, and that was the more red one.
So, I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, because I thought it was red, like a bright red.
Yeah, you kind of screwed that up.
Like this. Like Target red.
That should be a color. Target red. It actually kind of looks like it.
They're different.
They're different, but like, I don't know.
Anyways, I have to end off the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching this get ready with me for a work holiday party. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below. What should you guys comment down below? I wanted to do like a question of the day.
Do you like work holiday parties?
Do you like work holiday parties? Have you ever been to a work holiday party? Or because like, what if they haven't? You know? Or would you want to go to a work holiday party? And make sure that you're subscribed so that you can stay up to date with all the Vlogmas content. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. We're not leaving yet, Mika.